The OpenAI product design plugin helps product designers change the way they work. It turns one of the biggest challenges in design, going from idea to shareable prototype, into a streamlined workflow, enabling companies to build better products faster. Here's an example, designing a new calendar feature inside of ChatGPT. First, the model will begin to orient itself by asking a few clarifying questions. I'll answer those and provide a reference file for it to use as a visual brief. Now it has a strong understanding of the direction, so we'll start the ideation process. The model generates 3 different visual directions. I can review each one, compare the options, and decide which prototype I want to build. All pretty good, but I like option 1, so let's build that. From there, the model takes that image and starts to build an interactive prototype in code. It generates the supporting images and assets needed for the experience, then goes through and tests the prototype itself before handing it over. It checks different screen dimensions, and it even compares the reference image against the local prototype to make sure that the result is looking good. Now we can test it ourselves. I'll open the prototype in full screen and start clicking around. I can interact with the application, toggle features on and off, scroll around, and get a strong sense of how this calendar experience could work in practice. If I wanted to refine it further, I could annotate specific parts of the prototype and ask for changes. For now, this looks good, so we'll move on. Next, we'll share the idea with the team. One option is to create a Figma artifact. This sends the work into an existing Figma board, though I could also generate a new one. Once this finishes up, let's open up that Figma file and take a look. Here we can see the new Agenda Copilot page that was added. What I like about this is it doesn't just send over a screenshot. It brings the full context of the feature into Figma so the team can continue editing and refining it. We have the prototype screenshot, context about the user story, and even critique notes about the feature itself, all placed directly in the file. Now let's take the final step and share this with the broader team. We'll use our new capability, Sites, for that. Once it opens, you can see that same prototype is now available as an interactive website that the whole team can access. They can browse through it, click on different elements, and experience what this feature could look like inside of ChatGPT. So what would typically be a potentially laborious process is now streamlined into one place, helping you build and ship better products. Thanks to the OpenAI product design plugin.